Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Destiny. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So I know it's been a long minute, but I wanted to do this video because I got a package. And I was like, no, let me just do this unboxing video before I put things away, because I have that problem to where I want to put things away so like right away. But I was like, you know what? Let me do an unboxing video and then put the stuff away. So today is March 1st and it is 8:59, and I'm going to do an unboxing video of the things that I got from Amazon. Here's the big box. Oh my god. So here's the big box that I got from Amazon with a lot of stuff in it, and I'm about to show you guys what I ordered. Oh gosh. Now essentially all this stuff is for my room because I'm doing a room decoration. As you guys can see, I'm finally showing you guys what this back wall is for, but it's not complete, so but you know. So let's just start. Okay, so first things first, I got this. Oh, it's a eucalyptus like leaf garland, and this is gonna go across my mirror, kind of cute aesthetically. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's what I got this for. It's gonna look cute, it's gonna be popping, and also I'm gonna show you guys how much I got this for from Amazon. Next, in this package, oh, I'm so happy I got these. It's like, for a second I thought these were glass, but it's plastic. But anyway, it's like a three holder container thing. And what I'm going to do is put my makeup brushes in this. You can also put other things in this, anything that you want. But for me, obviously, it's my makeup brushes. So I'm excited that I got these, because the makeup things that I have now, it just doesn't flow with the room. It just doesn't, you know. So I had to get stuff that flows. So I got this. I'm gonna also put up the price and all that for you, so don't worry. Next, I got the LED vanity lights kit from Amazon, obviously. And these are the circle ones, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to like get the strip ones or the circle ones, but my mom was like, no, get the circle ones, they look better. And I cannot wait to put these on my vanities, because I just need light over there. Like, yeah, I just don't understand. But this is what they look like. Just like the little plastic balls. And yeah. Oh, don't fall out. I need y'all. Don't do that. Next up, we have this thing. I also got this. It's a makeup container holder as well. Just because the one that I have now, like I said, it doesn't really flow. Well, it kind of flows, but like, I'm just extra. So, I got this. Oh my, is it cracked? Oh, are they kidding me? They thought they was really gonna send me. Wow. But anyway, this is what it looks like. But it's cracked, so this will be going back. Amazon will be sending me another one. Wow, this is cracked. But this is what it looks like. Wow, I'm sad because I really wanted to set this up tonight. But obviously, I cannot because these are cracked. Wow. And it's damaged there. I'll put up a picture of what it's supposed to look, even though you guys can kind of get a imagination of what it's supposed to look like. But wow, they really just played me. That's such poor packaging, such poor like care. And you know what's crazy? When I was looking at the reviews, I seen like other people getting these and they were cracked. Wow, that will be going back and they'll be sending me new ones. Don't do that. Next, I got these storage bins like these. Because, oh, that's cracked too. What is going on? My room is falling apart. But anyways, I got these because I just bought another one of these. Actually, a 9 cube holder. So I got 9 of these. Everything is just cracking in my room. And I'm not understanding why. That's so crazy. And the last thing that I got were some more beauty blenders because I had one, but it disappeared. My dog probably took it somewhere and destroyed it. But anyways, yeah, I got this. So this is everything that okay, everything is just ripping. But anyways, this is everything that I got. I'm gonna put up the prices next to each one so you guys can see. Most definitely taking that back, letting Amazon know, and as soon as I finish this video, that they send me a broken thing. I cannot. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.